Hi, I'm Carolyn with Cokesbury's VBS, here to demonstrate science projects from Knights of North Castle. This is Session 5, Experiment 2, Earthquake Engineering. And by the way, this is a STEM project. Here's what you will need. 2 flat sturdy boards, 4 tennis balls, a ruler or paint stirrer, 2 large rubber bands, 2 large binder clips, tape, soft modeling dough, straws, and 1 piece of cardstock. Step 1. Assemble your earthquake table using the boards, tennis balls, and rubber bands. Tape a ruler or paint stirrer to the bottom of the top board to use as a handle. Step 2. Create a structure using straws and soft modeling dough. Build it on top of a piece of cardstock so it can be easily placed on top of your earthquake table. Step 3. Use the binder clips to secure the cardstock to the board. Holding the handle, shake your earthquake table and see if your structure can stand. If it doesn't work the first time, just try again. Be sure to practice, and for more information, refer to your Science Leader Guide.